Researchers create robotic device to aid the heart. This device can help weak tickers keep on beating. The plastic device is placed around a damaged ventricle and is powered via air pressure. It then squeezes the heart to help it circulate blood throughout the body. The mechanics of the device are said to be adaptive to the organ's normal beating rhythm. It so far has only been tested on animal hearts. But it has the potential to one day help the millions of people suffering from heart issues. Stick around for more on the latest medical tech. This smart bandage will help you heal like Wolverine. Mad medical tech coming out of the US this month could put a wrap on bandages as we know them. Researchers have designed a smart bandage they say heals skin tissue 3 times faster than a regular medical dressing. It accomplishes this via medication loaded inside the bandage threads. Drug delivery can then be controlled via smartphone. The researchers say in the future this could accelerate healing of battlefield wounds. Sadly, it's still got to go through more testing before it makes it to market, and that could take years.
Another benefit of selfies. Researchers at the University of Washington have developed a smartphone app that is able to detect the early signs of pancreatic cancer by analyzing user selfies. Bilirubin is a biopigment produced when the liver breaks down old red blood cells. One of the symptoms of pancreatic cancer is jaundice, caused by an accumulation of bilirubin in the body. The Billy Screen app is used in conjunction with a 3D printed box that controls light exposure in the eye. The app can also be paired with paper glasses that helps calibrate color. After the user has taken a selfie, the app's computer vision algorithms and machine learning tools can spot even the slightest increase in bilirubin levels in the sclera of the eye. The app is designed to help people get early treatment if needed. However, the results are not as definitive as a blood test. This seriously sticky surgical glue is all thanks to a slug slime. A team of scientists have taken inspiration from slug mucus to create a new surgical sealant that can patch up wounds even on wet surfaces. Although readily available in the market, current surgical glues are often inflexible and can have difficulty sticking well to fluid-covered human tissue. They may even be toxic to cells. In engineering a more effective medical adhesive, Harvard University researchers looked to the dusky Arion slug, whose glue-like mucus secretions are made of positively charged proteins in a tough matrix. The team's version uses a water-based material called hydrogel and has 2 layers, a matrix and an adhesive layer peppered with positively charged polymers. The polymer forms a bond with the negatively charged cells on the tissues, while being held in place and kept flexible by the hydrogel. When tested on different organs, the glue stayed intact even when applied to the curved moving tissue of a beating pig's heart. Though being touted as the future of sutures, further testing is still required, so it could take years before this new bio-glue can finally heal human wounds.
New arthritis pill helps stop bone damage. Scientists have found a new drug that can potentially stop bone loss and damage in people with diseased joints. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative joint disease caused by the breakdown of protective bone cartilage, often in the knees, hands, hips, and spine. The condition has no known cure, but a new drug called M1V711 has been shown to help reduce bone damage in affected joints. The treatment is based on a molecule involved in bone and cartilage turnovers and works by interfering with a process that leads to joint breakdown. When tested in patients aged 40 to 80, the drug reduced bone loss in the knees by 65% and improved cartilage thickness in just 6 months. By contrast, those given a placebo reported a slight increase in bone loss. The drug has very few side effects and is reportedly the first to target the diseased bone structure, instead of simply managing the pain like most existing treatments.